In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana project. Whether you're looking to create a backup of your projects, or you need to share your work with someone outside your Asana workspace, exporting your projects is a simple process that will only take a few minutes. Let's start by ensuring you're successfully logged into your Asana account. Once you're in, you'll be taken straight to your Asana homepage. Now, the next step involves navigating to the specific project you're interested in exporting. You might have a number of projects on your dashboard, so you can either scroll through to find it or make use of the search function if that makes things easier. Once you locate your desired project, go ahead and click on it to open. Now that you're inside your project's main page, you'll need to look for the drop-down menu labeled Project Actions. You'll typically find this menu conveniently placed in the upper right corner of your project dashboard. Clicking on this menu will bring up a list of various options related to project management and settings. Among these options, look out for and select the Sync Export feature. Asana provides you with several choices for exporting your project, which means you can choose a file format that best suits your requirements. Perhaps you need a CSV file for some spreadsheet magic, or maybe a JSON file for more technical purposes is what you're after. Simply pick your preferred file type from the list. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully exported your project from Asana. Keep in mind that depending on the file size and your internet speed, the download should finish up in just a few seconds. Once complete, you're free to share this file with others, keep it as a backup, or use it to delve deeper into your project outside of Asana. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a couple of quick tips. Regularly exporting your projects can serve as a fantastic way to safeguard your work by creating backups. Also, a handy suggestion is to name your exported files with the export date, as this can make it much easier to reference them in the future. We truly hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to export your projects from Asana. Whether you're finalizing a project, sharing it with external stakeholders, or simply tidying up your records, knowing how to efficiently export your projects is a valuable skill for managing your digital workspace. Thanks so much for joining us today, and happy organizing!